like best about making a collage, Dinah? You can use any crazy material you want. And somehow, it all fits together. Like red tissue paper, checkered cloth, pictures from a magazine, even pasta. Boy, sure hope I win the blue ribbon for my collage at the school art show. A blue ribbon. You know, Dinah. That's what you win for first place at a contest. Gee, I don't know. It needs something else. But I'm not sure what. I'll have to give that some thought.
Hold on to your seat, let's go for a ride. Now that we're here on the other side. Use your imagination and you'll understand. It's an adventure in Wonderland. Every day is something new, with music, rhyme, and a dance or two. It's a curious place with a wonderful crew, and you're never quite sure what they will do. Use your imagination, you'll understand. It's an adventure in Wonderland. Adventure in Wonderland. Adventure in Wonderland.
A birthday party? It isn't my birthday. No. A going away party. I'm not going anywhere. No. No. Nuts. There must be some excuse for having a party this week. Surprise! No! Oh, don't do that. I don't like surprises.
I think you'll like this one.
A bouquet for moi? Oh, how lovely.
I grew them in my very own garden, Your Majesty.
Well, I didn't know you were a gardener, Hare. You must have a green thumb.
No, I washed my hands before coming over.
She doesn't mean your thumb is green. She means you grow things well.
Oh, yes. Well, I guess I do. But these are a whole new kind of flower. I bred them and grew them just for Her Majesty. These 6 flowers are the only ones that have bloomed so far.
Oh, why, thank you, Hare. Oh. Wait a minute. If you grew them for me, shouldn't they be red?
But there are so many red flowers. I wanted to come up with something new so they would win a blue ribbon at the flower show.
Blue ribbon? As in first prize?
Exactly. I grew blue ribbon flowers for my red queen.
Oh.
I watered and pruned and I toiled and I sowed. I weeded and mowed and I heaved and I hoed. I selectively bred in my own flower bed a gift for Her Highness in red. With my green thumb I grew a blue ribbon flower fit for the red queen. With my green thumb I grew a blue ribbon flower fit for the red queen. I collected and studied, I combined and refined, but you'll never ever find another plant of this kind. Indeed, I've succeeded with this rare breed as a gift to Our Lady in red. With my green thumb I grew a blue ribbon flower fit for the red queen. With my green thumb I grew a blue ribbon flower fit for the red queen.
Delightful. But what are these flowers called?
Why, I've left the honor of naming them up to you, Your Majesty.
Me? Oh, I couldn't. No, you couldn't. No, that would never do. Why not? Don't you think I can come up with a good name for them?
Oh, yes, of course, yes. In fact, you could have a party to announce the name you select.
Yes, I could, couldn't I? A party for naming my new nosegay.
Yes. But perhaps it would be better if you named your flowers before you named your nose.
Oh, a nosegay is a bouquet of flowers, you silly rabbit.
I knew that.
A party to name the flowers. What a splendid idea.
And you, Hare, will be the guest of honor. Oh, wait 1 moment. For you, Hare, for your good work.
One for you, one for me, and one for Hare.
But I don't see Mr. Hare anywhere.
Don't worry. Hare will be here in exactly 3 seconds. Unless I miss my guest. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, Alice. So, Hatter, what kind of tea do we have today?
Today, we have chamomile and orange pico. So,
Well, of course I'll choose, since you gave me a choice.
achoo!
Okay, I'll choose. Yeah, I love
No,
chamomile.
Mr. Hare. I think Mr. Hatter is sneezing.
Goodness, Hatter. I'll go get you some tissues.
Mr. Hatter, why are you sneezing?
Well, I've got this funny little tickle in my nose.
No, I mean, what's causing you to sneeze?
Gee, I'm not sure. But it seems to have stopped.
Oh, here are the tissues that you need. Wait.
Take cover!
Mr. Hatter, since you don't have a cold, then your sneezing must mean that you're allergic to something around here.
Say, maybe you're allergic to the dormouse.
Hey, why don't you blame someone your own size?
Sorry. I've just heard that some people are allergic to furry creatures, like a mouse or a dog.
Or a hare. Would you mind stepping to the other side of the table, Mr. Hare? See? Whenever you come close to Mr. Hatter, he starts sneezing. But whenever you step away, he stops.
So what's your point?
Mr. Hatter is allergic to you, Mr. Hare.
But I've never been allergic to hair before.
I think an allergy can develop very suddenly, Mr. Hatter.
Gee, does this mean we can't have any more tea parties until you get over your allergy?
I hate to say this, but sometimes an allergy never goes away.
Really? So you're saying that I might never again enjoy a tea party sitting in my old chair next to the Hatter?
Chin up, Hare. There must be a way to work this out. Whew. I almost sneezed my hat off.
Hatter, I'm afraid we've dumped our last donut together.
Alice, what can I do? I don't mind losing my hat, but I don't want to lose my hair. Oh.